Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Yet another medical negligence case has surfaced in Eluru District. In the first semester, I told you the topic of medical negligence, which is different from the other negligence, because we know who is a professional, what is a profession, what is an avocation, as enunciated in the very famous case of Indian Medical Association versus VP Shanta and others, 1996. A medical professional is supposed to exhibit the knowledge he has got in a proper way, and he must be able to assess whether he can administer the medicine or not, whether he can take up the case or not, whether the materials are available for the conducting of the surgery or not. Suppose if the operation theatre is there, but if the generator connection is not there, he cannot conduct the operation. That is, as a professional, he has to do. But still, people are negligent. The pathetic story here is that it is a government hospital. Now let us know what's happened. It happened in the Eluru hospital. G. Swapna, hailing from a village called Kotapalli in Pedapadu Mandal of West Godavari district. She came to the government hospital for actually the so-called delivery. So it has become difficult, so they have to go for C-section procedure or cesarean operation. They have conducted the operation. Delivery was done. But after a few days later, actually on a few days later, she got stomach pain. There is a pain. Already I told you. The body, our body will not allow any foreign material inside the same. You will get cruciating pain. She got the pain. She approached several doctors. Several doctors gave several medications. They stated that once the operation is done, normally you will get pain like that. So use some painkillers like that, they have tried. But ultimately, there was no solace to her. On 8/8/2023, she once again came to the GGH Eluru and complaining of the so-called pain in the stomach as well as pain in the chest also. It has extended to the chest. So she was referred to GGH Vijayawada. GGH Vijayawada, they have done the preliminary tests. Ultimately, the radiological examination or the X-ray revealed that there is a Forceps type of instrument left in the stomach. That means the medical officer who conducted the cesarean operation to her, while at the time of delivery, before suturing, he has forgotten the so-called forceps like of scissors and he has sutured the same, as a result of which she was getting pain. Poor woman, once again she has to be operated for the removal of the so-called forceps. So doctors confirmed the presence of surgical equipment in the abdomen. She underwent another operation and the surgical instrument was removed. So the matter was reported to the concerned authorities. Here the point is, she cannot complain, she cannot file a complaint in the consumer forum because it's a government hospital. So where the charity is there, you cannot go for the Consumer Protection Act. Only thing you have to file a case of medical negligence. So she has to approach the police and she has to file a case. Of course, if it is intentional criminal negligence, so you can add section 338 of the Indian Penal Code. If a medical negligence, normally departmental action will be taken. So Sri Prasanna Venkatesh, District Collector of West Godavari, he has informed the press that he has initiated a departmental inquiry by appointing 2 senior civil surgeons on this particular aspect. So once the report comes, definitely action will be taken. Whether action will be taken or not is a different thing. But medical negligence, that too very simple case. I have been telling for the past 3 or 4 years that Mohan Reddy's case of Nellore, Nippo factory. That man is worker. He went to the hospital. They conducted operation. 24 abdominal operation, appendicitis. Forgot the scissors. Same thing. Once again, even after 5 years also. I don't know why they are negligent. So, as a doctor, as a professional, you should be very, very careful. You are playing with the life of a person, is it not? You are a demigod. You have to give life. You cannot take away the life. So, if you know this much, it is sufficient. Thank you.